Hello audiophile! I have some bad news and some good news for you. The bad news is that the new replacement AirPod cushions for these Vonmaehlen premium headphones are not available. The good news is that you are in the Tech Crew channel, and I will show you how to replace the old damaged AirPods and install new replacement pads to restore headphone excellent look and sound. I will show two different methods for installing AirPods on these Vonmaehlen Wireless Concert One Bluetooth on-air headphones. A link to the new replacement AirPods can be found in the video description. If you have any questions while watching this step-by-step video guide, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Best of luck!